In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on Casio LTP-2085 Standard Ladies Watch. I will do this with the simple tools that every household has. These tools are a safety pin and knife. Maybe a screwdriver and tweezers also. And of course a new battery. Let's get started. Open the watch strap carefully with the safety pin. Do this carefully because the spring bar can fly away. And then find a small gap on the back of the watch between the case back and the watch. This gap is for opening the case back. Once you found it, insert a sharp object, such as a knife, then press and lift to open the case back. Once you open it, you need to remove the plastic cover of the watch with tweezers or something similar. And finally, we got to the battery. You can remove the battery with a sharp object. Do it carefully so as not to damage the watch. After removing the battery, replace it with a new one. After replacing the battery, put back the plastic cover. And then, put the case back. The case back has a small gap that must be on the crown side. After placing the case back, press firmly with both hands to close it. Important: do not use solid objects for closing, as this may damage the watch. And finally, the end and I think the hardest part for me, and that is to reattach the watch strap. Now you need to set the time, and you can use your watch again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.